Good evening, this is Jan. I'm gonna make another dish. It's gonna be hake fillet in green sauce. A real Spanish dish this is. In Spain they call this Merluza and Salsa Verde. So I'm gonna pan fry the hake fillet, and then after that in the same pan I'm gonna make the green sauce. This is gonna be tasty. Here I got two beautiful hake fillets, not too big, not too small, just the right size. Just look at this skin on. And here's the preparations for the sauce. This is finely chopped garlic and shallots. Here I got fresh parsley, which is the star of the sauce, the green sauce. So I'm gonna chop this up very finely as well. Just run my knife through all of this. Then I'm gonna season the hake fillets with only some sea salt and black pepper. Of course, as always, black pepper. Quite a lot. Just how I like this. I really put a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil in my pan. Then it's time to put in the hake fillets, skin side down. Because these are very thin fillets, I think about 1.5 to maximum 2 minutes per side will do. So it's time to flip these around. Looks like they're done. Over a medium heat I'm gonna just pour some more extra virgin olive oil and some wine. This is Pinot Grigio from Italy. Plus some seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of basil, some black pepper, and of course, last but not least, the chopped parsley, fresh parsley. That is nice. I almost forgot the shallots, so I'm going to do this very quickly. Put this in and the garlic as well, all at the same time, and just put it on a medium heat. And I got to keep stirring so that the garlic will not be burnt. That's very important because you don't want to burn your garlic. The sauce is developing very well like this. The sauce looks ready, so time to plate it all up. Here I got my hake fillet. Then I will put the Salsa Verde a little bit on top and a little bit around it all. A couple of slices of bread. A little bit of fresh parsley for decoration. Should do it like this, I think. Yeah, this looks nice. And 2 slices of lime. I'll put some lime on the hake for extra freshness and acidity. Let's try this. oil. Now that is beautiful. All these flavors. The sauce, the garlic, the shallots, the parsley. Yeah. Hake is a beautiful fish. So much flavor in there. I mean, from the fish of its own. Then together with the sauce, there's even more flavor. I'm gonna soak a little bit of the bread into the sauce. Nice. Hake fillet and green sauce. And a little bit of wine, of course. Pinot Grigio. Good combination, of course. This is Italian, Pinot Grigio from the Venezia region. I should have drank Spanish wine with this Spanish dish, but unfortunately I did not have any Spanish white wine on my wine rack. I did have this one and it's okay, it matches, so that's why. So, in this bite, a lot of shallot. This is so good. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.